Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. If you want to get automatic updates on our new uploads, please subscribe to Vedaghosham channel, click all notifications and press the bell icon. In the coming week, we are all going to celebrate Ratha Saptami. Ratha Saptami is a very auspicious occasion and all the mantras related to Ratha Saptami have been given in the description box, which you can refer and use them. While how to use these mantras I have given in this video along with the procedure, for which I request you to watch the video. Magha Shukla Saptami Ratha Saptami. So as per the Chandramana or the lunar calendar, Magha Masa, which has started now, the Saptami, Shukla Saptami, or the Saptami which comes during the Shukla Paksha or brighter phase is called as Ratha Saptami. So what do you need to do on this Ratha Saptami? One day prior to Ratha Saptami, which is on Shashti or the 6th day after Amavasya, Atra Vrate Shashtya Eka Bhaktam Krutva Saptamyam Arunodaye Snanam Karyam. The previous day of Ratha Saptami, one day prior to Ratha Saptami, you should have only one meal in a day. And on the next day morning of Ratha Saptami, early in the morning before sunrise, you have to get up and have a very auspicious and a very highly meritorious bath. Surya Grahana Tulyatu Shukla Maghasya Saptami. This bath which you take on Ratha Saptami is equivalent to taking, or the merits of the snana or the bath of Ratha Saptami is equal to Surya Grahana or the solar eclipse. Arunodaya Velayam Tasyam Snanam Mahaphalam. So Arunodaya Vela gives Mahaphalam is what is mentioned in Shastras. So what is Arunodaya Vela? Arunodaya Vela is around 1.5 hours before sunrise. So on this Saptami, you need to get up 1.5 hours before sunrise and have this auspicious bath. So there are certain procedures for having this bath, which I will tell you as you listen to this video. But as soon as all the members of the house get up on Ratha Saptami on the morning, the ladies of the house need to go and put a rangoli with rice flour, the way it is shown in this video currently, and need to draw the chariot of the sun or Surya Ratha. Surya Ratha has only one chakra or one wheel, and therefore you draw a Surya Ratha. It could be different pattern, but it should be similar to what is shown. And then you draw a Surya or sun in the center and light a lamp in the center. This is outside the house. A similar kind of Ratha should be drawn in your puja room, because later on, after the bath, we are going to come back and perform puja for the rangoli of the Surya Ratha, which is drawn in the puja room also. So for this snana or for this bath, in the morning what needs to be done is you need to perform an achamana for internal purification of or a sipping of water with the name Om Achyutaya Namaha, Anantaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha. After that you perform a Ganapati Prarthana, whichever you know. It could be Shuklam Baradharam or any other Ganapati Prarthana. Then you do a pranayama and then do a sankalpa for the snana. Mamopata samasta duritakshayadvara Shri Parameshwara Prityartham Ratha Saptami Punyakale Mahapapahara Snanamaham Karishye. So this kind of sankalpa you do, and then you take along with you 7 leaves of this Arkapatra or Aak, which is called in Hindi. It's a very easily spottable plant which is growing on the roadsides. In fact, these leaves are offered to even Hanuman, and if you break these leaves you will get a milky liquid. And these flowers are very very favorite of Shiva, Lord Shiva. So 7 of such leaves you need to take along with you when you go for the bath. And you need to keep these 7 leaves one above the other on top of your head. And on top of that, keep some akshata, which is rice mixed with some turmeric. And then on top of that, you keep some kusha grass or durva grass. And if possible, a little bit of fresh cow dung if it's available. Otherwise, it's fine. And then once you have placed all these items on top of your head, then you need to perform the snana or the bath, or start pouring water over these leaves on top of your head, holding it with one hand so that these leaves do not fall off your head till you chant the Ratha Saptami Snana mantra. So these leaves are called as Arka. So Arka is another name of Surya Bhagavan. So which means that these leaves have immense power to wipe off the sins which you have committed in your 7 births. And that is the exact reason why you keep 7 leaves to wipe out the sins of 7 births. And then while you are having your bath, you chant this mantra. Sapta Sapti Priye Devi Sapta Loka Pradipike Sapta Janmarjitam Papam Hara Saptami Satwaram. So in this mantra, we are addressing Surya Devata as a Devi or Savita, who is illuminating the 7 worlds, the earth as well as the 6 worlds above the earth as per our Sanatana Dharma Shastra. And we are requesting the sun to remove the papas or the sins which we have committed in the last 7 janmas or 7 births instantly. Yadyat sarvam kritam papam maya saptasu janmasu. Whatever may be, big or small sins which I have committed in my 7 janmas, tanme shokancha mohancha makari hantu saptami. So this Saptami day, Hey Surya Devata, you should remove all my sorrows and remove my papas. Naumi Saptami Devi Tvam Sarva Lokaika Mataram Saptarka Patra Snanena Mama Papam Vyapohaya. Let my entire papas go with this holy bath with the 7 leaves. And this is how we pray to Surya Devata with these mantras while pouring the water. While we are pouring the water on top of our head, we need to chant these mantras, and this will instantly wipe off your papas which have been committed over the 7 births. Once you finish this snana, you come outside, you wear or change your clothes, you apply tika or tripundra or urdhvapundra on your forehead as per your sampradaya, and then you need to wait for the sunrise, and once the sun has risen, you need to offer arghya or offer water with pure devotion to the rising sun by chanting this mantra which you are seeing on the screen now. Sapta Sapti Radhasthana Saptaloka Pradipaka Saptamya Saha Devatvam Grihanargyam Divakara. So you offer this water, and this is at the sunrise. So what you need to do also is, on this day, the rangoli which you have drawn in the puja room of the chariot of the sun with the single wheel, you need to perform a puja for that with Surya Avahana and offer a Nevedya of kheer with 12 handfuls of rice. So this kheer has to be prepared with 12 handful of rice along with milk, and then you offer this to the Surya Devata and pray for your good health, because Surya is responsible for giving you health. Arogyam Bhaskarad Ichet. So if you want Arogya, you need to pray to Bhaskara or Surya. And it is established in our Dharma Shastras that the diseases which are existing in our body now are because of the papas or the sins we have committed over multiple or many births. So this Ratha Saptami Snana or the Papahara Snana, the sin effacing bath, will help you to reduce the burden of your karmic overload which you carry from the last birth and can make you healthy and happy. And I pray Lord Surya to bless all of you with good health. Namo Namaha.